Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we will study some vocabulary. Once we know the vocabulary word and its meaning, we should know how to use those in sentences. For that, we will do one reading exercise. After reading exercise, we will do one shadowing exercise where I will speak a sentence and you should repeat after me. Okay, then let's start with some vocabulary words. The first one is Sengetsu. Sengetsu means last month. You may have learned Sengetsu means last month, Kongetsu this month, Raigetsu next month, like that. Next one is Ane, it means elder sister. Next, Ryoko means travel or trip. Generally, we use Ryokosuru means to travel or trip. Tokyo. Tokyo is the capital of Japan. Hokkaido. Hokkaido is the second largest island of Japan. Next, Bijutsukan. It means art museum. Hana means flower. Omyage. Omyage is very popular word. Whenever we go somewhere on trip, generally we buy something as a memento and we give as a gift. So we call it omyage. It means souvenir. Next one is a hagaki. There are two words. Hagaki means postcard and a means picture. It becomes a hagaki. It means picture postcard. Next one is oishi. It means tasty, delicious. Okashi means sweets. This is generally used as a collocation. Oishi okashi means very tasty or delicious sweets. Ageru means to give. Moraeru to receive. Now, let's start our reading exercise. Sengetsu, watashi mo, ane mo, ryoko ni ikimashita. As we know, Sengetsu means last month, watashi means I or me, ane means my elder sister, ryoko means to travel, to trip, ikimashita is the past tense of iku. Iku means to go somewhere. So, sengetsu, watashi mo, ane mo, ryoko ni ikimashita. Last month, me and my elder sister both went for a trip. 私は東京で美術館を見ました。I saw an art museum in the Tokyo. 姉は北海道で綺麗な花を見ました。My sister saw beautiful flowers in Hokkaido. What does it mean? He went to Tokyo and saw an art museum. His sister, elder sister, went to Hokkaido and she saw some beautiful flowers. 私はお土産に絵はがきをあげ、姉からおいしいお菓子をもらいました。As we know, お土産 means souvenir, 絵はがき means postcard, あげる means to give. So, as a souvenir, I gave picture postcard and received delicious sweets from my sister. Question time. If you understood it very well, then I think it's very easy to answer. What is the question? 姉に何をあげましたか? If you see here in this paragraph, 私はあげました。何をあげました?絵はがきをあげました。So, 私は姉に絵はがきをあげました。Let's check the options. First one is Hana. No. Second one is E hagaki. That's the correct answer. Okashi. Let's say if the question was Nani o moraimashita ka? In that case, okashi is going to be the answer. Watashi wa ane kara oishii okashi o moraimashita. This is the omiyage. Let's move to the final exercise, that is shadowing exercise, where I'm gonna read this sentence and you should repeat after me. Let's start with this. 先月、私も姉も旅行に行きました。Your turn. 先月、very good. 私は東京で美術館を見ました。私は very good. 姉は北海道で綺麗な花を見ました。姉は very good. 私はお土産に絵はがきをあげ、姉からおいしいお菓子をもらいました。私は good job. This is how we do the shadowing. It really helps us in improving our speaking. So that's all from today's video. I hope you like it. Thank you.